Meaning of haricot bean.
Haricot bean.
Haricot bean.
Haricot bean.
Haricot bean. A haricot bean, also known as a navy bean or white bean, is a small, oval-shaped legume that is commonly used in cooking. The beans are light in color and have a mild, slightly nutty flavor that makes them versatile in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and casseroles. They are high in protein, fiber, and nutrients such as iron and folate, making them a healthy addition to any meal. In addition to their culinary uses, haricot beans have also been studied for their potential health benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels and improving digestive health.